Preparing for the second long box, take the box and place it in front of the shoulder blocks on the carriage. 2 springs. Lying down onto the carriage, we'll take a pad with a towel on top of it and place that on the edge of the carriage or on the footbar to place the head on and to protect the face from the bar and the pad. From here, lie down onto the box, bringing the ribs just off the box depending on the height of the body. Take the hands to the base of the frame and lift the legs up towards the ceiling, bend the knees, and extend the legs, clapping on the way down. Clap, 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 clap to lift the body. Again, lift the legs up towards the ceiling, bend the knees, extend the legs straight up to the ceiling, and clap, 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 clap all the way home. And last time, 3 times is plenty. Lift the legs high to the ceiling, bend the knees, pulling in the powerhouse, extend the legs, and clap, 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 clap all the way home. Back up on the box, preparing for the rocking. Once the body is on the box, the knees are just barely off the box. Take the ankles in the hands and then lifting through the thighs, pulling the powerhouse in, rotating the pelvis into the box, lift the chest and begin rocking from the legs and the powerhouse without swinging the head to do the rocking. Then circle the arms around to the front, releasing the legs for the swimming. Opposite arm and leg swim. The pelvis is still rotating into the box. The powerhouse is lifting as best as it can away from the box, swimming vigorously. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 10 for 20 counts fully, and then step off the box, round forward towards the floor to relax the spine in the opposite direction and soften the knees to roll all the way back up to stand.